In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix desktop icons missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click on the desktop and select view. Make sure you haven't select the option that is to make sure you haven't unselect the option that is show desktop icons. If you're going to uncheck it, the desktop icons will be hidden. So right click select view and then make sure show desktop icons is selected. Then click on the start button and then go to settings. Click on personalization in the left pane, scroll down and click on themes. Then click on desktop icon settings. And you can also enable these options from here and then click on apply, click on OK. And then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.